Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Becca, and if you are new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So for today's video, I'm going to be vlogging, which I'm really excited to do because I haven't done it before on my channel, but I'm just going to be taking you guys along with me for the entire weekend as I get my life together. There's going to be lots of gisting, as Kaylin Nicholson calls it, lots of homework and cleaning, some self-care, just all the stuff I need to reset my life. Because if you watched my last video, I've actually had a really crazy couple of weeks, so I've just fallen behind on a whole lot of stuff and I just need to catch up and get all my ducks in a row. So this morning I actually woke up at 7:30, but I was like, you know what, we're just gonna sleep in. I just kind of like let myself like doze in and out until 8:30, so that was really nice actually. And then I just got up and made breakfast, did my hair, got dressed, that kind of thing. And so this is usually when I would start cleaning my room, doing my laundry and that kind of thing, but like I mentioned, I'm actually really behind, and so it is about 9:45 right now and I just need to go finish up that video. It's already edited and exported, but I need to do like the thumbnail, the upload settings, that kind of thing. So I'm gonna work on that and I'll update you guys later. Since I checked in and updated you guys on what I've been up to today, but basically after lunch I came back here and was just taking some time for myself since I like to do that in the morning. But as you guys know, I was working on my video and everything, so I was just journaling, checking the news, that kind of thing. I sent a couple emails. I washed a crap ton of dishes because those had just completely been neglected this week. And then I also worked on some homework, so I was reading a unit for my anatomy class, and then I'll probably read the next one tomorrow and then take my quiz on Monday, hopefully. It's not due till Friday, so I have some time on that. And then I was just doing a couple different random stuff. I was working on a flyer because I'm the social media chair of my veg club here at BCU. I had to finish that up and I gotta get that posted. And then I was accepted into College Fashionista as a community member, which if you don't know what that is, it's kind of like this large network of fashion interested college students. And I kind of wasn't really sure if I was going to accept just because like they're kind of focused just on fashion in general and not slow fashion, but I figured it could kind of be like a mutually beneficial thing. Like if they ever want to promote any of my stuff, it would obviously be sustainably focused and it would reach a much larger audience than what I have. And then of course, if I could reach a larger audience, that would be great for growing my own brand. So I decided to go through with that, and I actually had to make a Facebook to join their members only page, because I actually have resisted making a Facebook, but I finally did it just for this. And then I was just making like a pro-cons list of some different summer opportunities that I'm considering. So I basically checked everything off of my to-do list for today, which is really great because it's only 5:20, so not too late. I think I'm gonna call my mom so I can talk to her about some of those summer things, because I have no idea what I'm gonna do, honestly. And then probably eat some dinner and just chill or start on tomorrow's to-do list because I'm feeling really productive. is now Sunday, and I didn't really get a chance to update you guys too much before I went to bed last night, but I ended up talking on the phone with my mom for about 2.5 hours, which is a really long time, but I just had so much to discuss with her about the different summer things I'm considering. And then of course we just ended up talking and catching up like normal. And so then I just called my boyfriend really and went to bed, and I woke up today just feeling really, really good, which is just such a nice feeling when that happens. And so I got ready. I am super excited to be wearing this new crew neck, which I thrifted last weekend for like $2. It is super cozy and just perfect, and I love it. And I'm probably going to do a thrift haul at some point, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, of course. And then I did some yoga. I did a video from yoga with Adriene, which I'll of course link down below if you want to do the same one. And it was just really chill and really relaxing, which was great because I started my period. So I was definitely not looking to do anything crazy. I took that feeling and immediately went and journaled, and that just like further put me in just such a great state of mind. So I'm just feeling so content, honestly, and just so ready to like start my day and do all the things I need to do and all the things I want to do. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for that. Okay, so I just finished setting up my bullet journal spread for this coming week. As you can actually see, this is literally the last page of my bullet journal. This doesn't even have dots on it, which is why I decided just to put the month, and then I use some sticky notes so that I don't have to like write a whole bunch on this paper without dots to act as like a guide. And I think it turned out really cute, so I'm gonna fill this out with all of my classes and to-dos and everything. 2:30 p.m. and I've actually checked off nearly everything that I wrote down on my to-do list for today. All I have left to do is work on my composition homework, which I'm going to go to the dance studio around 4:30 to do that, so I still have about 2 hours of time to kill. And so when I have like little extra pockets of time like this, I of course like to chill and take some time for myself, which I'm definitely going to do. But I also like to look at my random to-do list, which is basically just a note I keep in my phone full of random little tasks that I need to do but are never like a big priority. But when I do have that extra 5 minutes, I just love checking this note on my phone. I have everything in one place. So today's little task that I'm going to do is actually cleaning my tote bag. So this is just a little bag from Lush that I use literally all the time, kind of as like a little purse. So it needs a good wash anyway, just because I use it so much. But then I actually spilled something on the inside a few weeks ago, so it really needs a wash. And I would just throw it in the laundry with everything else, but it is hand wash only, so I just have not gotten around to doing this. Just finished choreographing my duet. Feeling really good. I'm really happy and proud of myself for this. It's the first thing I've ever choreographed on other people, so it's kind of exciting. I really did not feel like coming here to work on it. I was like, I don't feel like leaving my apartment, but it was honestly so good to get out of my apartment because I'd been in there all day, and sometimes you just kind of need that to be productive. You just got to get out and get into the right place. Just being in the dance studio automatically puts me in a more creative mindset, so this was really, really effective. But I am starving, so I'm gonna head home now and eat some dinner. Face mask. So this is literally just just like a leaf of aloe I bought at the grocery store. Christina, she does these all the time, so I was really interested in trying it, and she says it's helped a lot with her acne scarring, which like we still got some of that going on. So I'm gonna try it. I'll update you guys if I like it.